the number one thing that the state would limit us on in the end is budget. So we have a limited budget per park, and we do track during these natural disasters everything that we do that is related to the disaster, and that money can get used in a separate fund instead of actually draining the park's allotted funding. Some parks get more money than others and may be able to cover the cost. For us, every gallon of gas, chainsaw, man-hour, vehicle, all of that gets recorded, and any maintenance fees, upkeep that would be used during that time, there's a special disaster fund that would be used for that instead of using the park's general budget, normal operating budget.